When I heard about Agaseke program, basically it was through different other trainings, and this was actually the second time we have interacted as a Stepin Limited with Agaseke program. We had a task to equip the students, the women entrepreneurs and the young people with the entrepreneurship skills. So that was a very big task, and we brought a number of trainers to really equip them with all of these skills. We also gave them skills in area of financial literacy so that they can be able to sell their product and be able to really solve critical problems and challenges their customers are facing.
There was a need to find them a sustainable livelihood. So the Agaseke project came as an answer to these women who had nothing to call a job or livelihood, a sustainable livelihood. We put them in cooperatives and gave them skills of making different handicrafts. They started with Agaseke and all products that they could make.
Aya mahugurwa yatwigishije uburyo dushobora gukorera ibintu ku gihe kandi tukabigeza ku bakiriya bacu igihe kitararenga. Ikindi ni uburyo bwo guhanga udushya. Twakoraga ibintu bimwe bikaba ari byo bigenda byisubiramo, ariko twasanze uko turushaho kumenya amakuru y'ibikenewe ku isoko, ariko tuzarushaho gukurura abakiriya kandi bakabona ibyo bifuza. Aya mahugurwa yatwigishije uburyo dushobora kuzuza ibitabo neza ku buryo n'umuntu yaza kudukorera audit akareba muri cya gitabo akabona ibintu byacu biri ku murongo.
Amahugurwa batwigishije ko tugomba kwita ku mukiriya cyane, yaduhahira n'ubutaha akazagaruka kandi akazana n'undi mukiriya.
Aya mahugurwa ikintu yadufashije, dusigaye dukora ku mbuga nkoranyambaga kandi mbere tutigera tugikoreraho. Uyu munsi wa none dusigaye dukora ingengo y'imari tukandika mu bitabo kandi mbere ntabyo twageraga. Ikintu duteganya gukora uyu munsi tutakoraga ni uko mu gihe kizaza noneho tugiye kuzajya twubahiriza igihe kurusha uko uyu munsi twabikoraga. Kandi noneho dufite intego y'igihe kirekire. Uyu munsi turavuga tuti mu mwaka umwe hari ikintu runaka tuzakora. Ibyo ni byo duteganya.
The vision of His Excellency and also Her Excellency, their vision, to empower the women, empower the youth, either to have more skill, vocational training, also have the artistic way to learn to be not only, I think, made in Rwanda, but also designed or created in Rwanda. So such a wonderful thing. It's kind of, I think, makes things more valuable because I think cultural things, all those things are, we can say, valueless. But I really feel made in Rwanda. It means also top class. Yeah, I really like those crafts. Yeah. You also not only the crafts. That means you have the skill, you have your traditional skill, but also in each craft work you have the meaning, the cultural meaning, the heritage, cultural heritage. You are passed along through the generation. So it's good to also to expose those cultural meaning, those civilization behind to all the visitors. Yeah.
We focused not only on giving them the content, but we gave them practical trainings so they can go and apply. So we're very glad we're able to achieve this, and we really hope to continue to support these women and the young people to really excel, not only after these trainings that they have got the skills and they have practiced and they have got results, but actually even the follow-up to ensure this is done continually moving forward, not just a few days or few weeks. We just want to make sure this is a continuous activity.
Nyuma y'aya mahugurwa twahaye twagabanyije ibintu by'akajagari. Hari ukuntu twagiraga akajagari nimba uyu munsi dufite guhura ngo dukore tubohe ibibohwa byacu, ugasanga bamwe ntibaje abandi baraje, umwe twahanye gahunda ya 2:00 baje 3:00 4:00. Twahagaritse akajagari.
Ikintu ngiye nungukiye muri aya mahugurwa cyamfasha kugera ku ntego zanjye, icyambere na mbere nize kwizigamira, icyo bita saving. Iyo wizigamiye ukabishyiraho umutima n'ubushake ugera ku ntego zawe. Ikindi nize gukunda amafaranga, nize ko gutagaguza amafaranga mu bintu bidafite inyungu atari byiza, nize ko ngomba gukunda amafaranga nayo akankunda.
It's now their work, it's what they are doing, it's what makes them earn their day-to-day livelihoods. They have money to educate their children, some have money to put up homes, others have traveled, they have made it as a business. We have those who are doing it as cross-border trade. They carry these products to our neighboring countries. We have vision of making the Agaseke products and all made in Rwanda products to go beyond our borders, even international. That's why we are training them now on e-commerce. We have intensive training on e-commerce that has to help them to market their products wherever they are. And we have targeted also their children so they can carry on where the mother, some of them are getting too old, they can't see, but their children who have grown up seeing them weaving, they are also taking up after them. And also this marketing, the young ones are very good on marketing platforms like social media. So we are also training them alongside their moms.